that spread, we're going to pack it, and then we're going to form up the base. Guys, we got rained out here. It's only like a little bit after 3 p.m. but rain is coming down good. We got the base packed. We'll be back doing that next week, but for now, tomorrow we got to go back to this old job we did this earlier this season, and we've got a few walls they want to add on, or just a few blocks to add on to their existing retaining wall. So we're gonna go do that quick tomorrow, and then next week we're hoping to pour the concrete here, get this one done if the rain would stop, but it's not letting up at all, guys. Alright guys, so I'll come down to pick up 10 of the retaining wall, 10 of the retaining wall blocks we need. So for tomorrow's project. Oh man, we need 12 blocks. Guys, got 10 of those loaded up. We should be good. Yeah, we can't even get any equipment in the back. It's just like 5 or 6 blocks. You remember what we looked at last time? But in the back, we just got shoots to do. Supposed to be here, man. Alright, it's another day, October 5th, and the guys are gonna go up and do a little wall project. It's done raining now. Done raining, no muddy, but we've got to get work done before the snow comes, guys. Alright, so I'm just gonna go up there and get the guys started and then come back down. I got a phone to fix and I gotta go look at projects. A lot to do today. And today is Friday. We skipped, the mowing slowed down, so we skipped all of it today since it's wet. A lot of them didn't even need it. So I'll get some landscaping project done now. Alright guys, we are back at the house that we did landscaping earlier this season and coming back to do a little retaining wall touch-up for them. So right here, you guys, I think she wants all this out, all these hostas out, and then, you know, like grade it like this, get this all level for her because she's going to put stuff back here, I think. And then over here, same thing, all these hostas has got to come out right here, and then we're just building this wall upon Michael. So just dig wherever this bottom right here, this one, connect it to that one, and then start building up. And just goes right there.
That one, that step it goes to.
Yep, goes to that step, yeah. And then just keep building it up like this. And then bring in that gravel and just pack it in there, and then pack some gravel back there too. Yeah.
Just want gravel even with that stair. Or
yeah. Put gravel. Leave about 2 inches down. They're gonna put river rock, I think, there and stuff too. So that's how there is to this one. So
just taking out plants.
Take out the plants.
You got the blocks in, or do you?
Yeah, I got the blocks in the back of my truck. I went to pick it up yesterday. So then, yeah, just grade level the side, level this out, take all that out. So, all of this here. I'll ask her. Let me double check, make sure. Back, we did the back there. We did that one too. Look at this. Still holding out good. We did this one earlier in the season. Look at that. Still good. And then we did that one down there as well. Yeah, how many of you guys remember this one? We did this earlier in the season. It's still good. I don't think nobody. Looking good, looking good.